All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Bird TV. This isn't a video I wanted to make. I was going to change the rad support on my truck, but power steering line decided to blow off. So here we are. Now we're gonna do that. So let's get to that. All right. So here I was turning the corner. And where'd it go? This line here decided to bust out. I took that bolt out already the other day when it happened, but it popped right off of there, so fantastic. Now it goes down there somehow, which I believe can be seen in here. I think it's in there somewhere you gotta get to. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and yeah. So it's melting here. It's pretty wet. So I put a blanket over my towel so I don't get all dirty. Now, here, it's one of those. Gotta figure out which one it is. And I think I'm gonna get myself a light. Alright, got myself a light. My wife laughs at me every time I have this thing on, but it sure does come in handy a lot. So we're gonna get that now. Again, I'll just do it. And yeah. Okay, so I figured out it's this one that's got the blue sleeve on it, or yeah. So it'd be that second. What? There's one there. It's the second one back. So that might be fun. But I'm going to try and lift that out of the way somehow. Anyway, so no, I don't want to. I need to try and lift it out of the way somehow, that I can get my wrench in there. But anyways, I'm just gonna do it. So now you know which one it is. How you do it is, I guess, gonna be up to you. But I'm gonna, yeah. Okay. All right, so I got it out of there. Wasn't too terribly difficult. So I'm gonna get that out of there and get the new one in there. And as for anybody wondering, it's a half inch wrench that I used to get that off. It was about a 3 out of 10 on the difficulty. So yeah, let's get that in. Here is the new one. That'll slip in there, hopefully. And yeah, so we need the part number, and yeah, I'm gonna just slip that in there and again get to it. So I got the bottom one all done. Oh, over here, got that bottom one all tightened up in there, and we're working on the top now, which that nut or whatever is smaller than another one. So the original one was 3/4. This one is 11/16. So I'm gonna get that on there, and then we'll get it. All right, so that one's on there. That one was easy peasy. Once you got it, and now I apparently have to go to Canadian Tire and get me some power steering fluid. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, so we're back. Got myself a funnel and power steering fluid. So we're gonna put that on there, and then we're gonna start her up and hopefully it worked. I don't see why it wouldn't. Why wouldn't it work? Dummy. Okay, I'm just gonna put this. There you have her. Got her done. Took her for a little ride. Seems to work okay. That's how you change that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.